I hope everyone is clear regarding the last time's questions. Sorry, the concepts. So today we are doing some more number of questions. Okay, and might be you have tried for that the homework which I have given you, and few questions might you have solved, and in few you were having the doubts. Okay, so we will cover everything. So today we will do few questions so that you can get more clear picture of the concepts. Okay. So that is question which I am taking here. Again, it is very important question which was asked in the board examination. Sorry, competitive exams. Here it is. See, let's say this is a wall. Okay, this is a wall. Now against this wall, I am keeping a rod. A rod is kept over here. This is the rod which is kept against this wall. Okay, let's say this upper point is A and lower point is B, and length of this rod is L. Okay, and somewhere here it is this theta. Now suppose the upper wall, this one A, is frictionless. Okay, the upper wall, this perpendicular wall is frictionless. So if it is frictionless, definitely it will move down. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thus
Yes,
A point will move down with some velocity. Let's say I am saying it is VA. It is given in the question. Theta is given, length is given, and VA is given. Now what we want to calculate? We want to calculate the velocity of this point B in terms of VA and theta. Okay. Now two methods again we will use. The method one, where we will use the complete calculus. Here let's say O to B is X and O to A is Y. So can I say again X square plus Y square is equal to L square? Yes, students. Now differentiating both the
yes, sir.
sides. So it will be 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt. Can I say the length of the rod will be constant? It is not going to change. Differentiation will be 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Zero.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now over here in this situation, I have to write what is dx by dt and what is dy by dt. For that, what I am doing, see, the value of x will increase with time. So can I say Vb will be plus dx by dt as the b will move towards right. So value of x is going to increase with respect to time. So plus dx by dt will be Vb. If I talk about Va, can I say it will be minus dy by dt because as time will increase, the value y will decrease? Tell me, students. Va equals to minus dy by dt and Vb equals to dx by dt. बोलो भाई हाँ ना तो बोलो, otherwise I will not be able to get whether you are understanding it or not. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now putting this value in the above expression, so what I will say x, then dx by dt is Vb, then minus y, dy by dt is minus Va, minus minus plus. So what we need velocity Vb, which will be y by x and then Va. Now tell me what is y by x here. What will be y by x?
Sir, tan theta.
Tan theta is equal to y by x. Okay. So instead of y by x, can I simply say it is tan theta?
Yes, sir.
So Vb is equal to Va tan theta is our answer. This is method number 1. Now method number 2 you will like the most. Okay. For second method, what I am doing, see here, I am extending this part here, dash, 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 dash. Can I say this will be theta? Tell me.
Yes, sir. What is
Yes, sir.
VB is along positive axis. Taking the component of VB along this line, it will be VB cos theta. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, VA is downwards. Remember that VA is vertically downwards. This angle will be 90 degree minus theta. Taking the component of VA along this line, which will be VA cos 90 degree minus theta. Am I right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now, length of the rod is constant. It is practically possible. L is constant. It is practically possible when velocity component of A means VA sine theta. VA sine theta must be equal to VB cos theta. Now, cos को इधर ले जाइए. So, VA sine theta upon cos theta will be tan theta and it is equal to VB. See this method, hardly it is done in 3 steps. While the calculus part we are using, it is time consuming, but it is giving the proper result also at the same time. Anyone has doubt in this question? Tell me.
No, sir. No, sir.
No one has doubt. Okay, very good then. So note कर लीजिए इसको quickly. Then we will go for the another questions.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, do you have the answer key for that Google Forms vector test?
Pardon, beta?
Sir, 2 days back we gave test on vectors, that Google Form one. So do you have answer key to that?
Answer key. Have you have not received the responses?
Sir, we have received the responses, but the correct answers are given only of those which we have answered. The ones which we have left, there's no correct answer given to that.
You have skipped some questions, so you are not getting the answers like that.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I will share the form again or the responses. Okay. बार-बार अलग-अलग टाइप के क्वेश्चन कराता रहूंगा. So let's say we have pulley. This is first pulley. And this is one more pulley. Let's say it is having mass m. Now here it can have any other mass 2m, and this is having mass m. Okay. Now what we need to do here, we want to calculate the relation between the velocity of block 1, block 2 and block 3. Let their velocities are v1, v2 and v3. So we have to find the relation between them. So again, I will tell you two methods. Remember that why I used to tell two methods, so that you can understand both the ways. Okay, because in some of the questions, the calculus is very easy. In some of the questions, you will find the length constraint easy. Okay, so for the first method, again, I will take the reference line. This is the reference line. Okay. Let's say this is x1 from block 1 to reference line, and this is for the pulley. I am writing here xp. Okay, then for the block 2 it is x2, and for the block 3 I am writing x3. Okay, Now here I will not, I will consider the radius of the pulleys also, capital R, small r. Now first of all, I am talking about the pulley number 1, P1 I am writing for P1. Okay, for P1, can I say the x1 plus xp is equal to, x1 plus xc and plus pi r is equal to L1, length of the first pulley. Yes, everyone tell me, is it clear? First equation, tell me. Length of the pulley L1, P1 is equal to x1 plus xp plus pi r equals to L1. हाँ या ना तो बोलो भाई.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अब हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं. If we differentiate this, what we will get? dx1 upon dt plus dxp upon dt. Pi r is constant 0. L1 constant 0. So velocity v1 equals to velocity of pulley equals to 0. So I can say velocity of pulley is equal to minus v1. I hope the second equation is also clear to everyone. Tell me.
Sir.
Okay. Now I am taking this second pulley. Okay, P2 for second pulley P2. Okay. Now remember that from here to here, this length is not given. Can I write this? X2 minus XP plus length of this particular part, okay, this one, left side, X2 minus XP. And for the right side, can I say X3 minus XP plus pi r will be equal to length of the second pulley. Tell me, is it clear? बच्चों कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा है. टॉपिक बंद करके नया चालू करेंगे कुछ?
Sir,
आवाज
actually,
नहीं आ रही भाई
I'm
मेरे को किसी की भी.
Sir, can you repeat that step?
ओके, तो आप बोलोगे तो पता चलेगा मुझे, अदरवाइज तो हाउ विल आई कम टू नो दैट यू आर गेटिंग इट और नॉट. देखिए ये जो पुली है हमारे पास, देखो ये पुली जो सेकंड पुली है ना, सेकंड पुली, this one, this length is how much? Can I say x1 minus this xp will be this portion?
Yes, sir.
Okay, x2 minus xp. Same way इतनी portion की length चाहिए मुझे. So this is what x3. x3 में से xp subtract करेंगे तो you will get this much part as x3 minus xp. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So the length x2 minus xp plus x3 minus xp plus pi r, ये इतना सा portion pi r. Okay. That is length L2. Now I can write it easily, x2 plus x3 minus 2xp plus pi r equals to L2. Now differentiate again with respect to time. So if I differentiate with respect to time, here I will get V2, here will I get V3, here I will get minus 2 Vp, then pi r differentiation 0, length differentiation 0. So V2 plus V3 is equal to 2 Vp. And what is Vp? Minus V1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is going to be V2 plus V3 minus 2 V1. अब आप चाहें तो V1 को इधर ले आए. So V2 plus V3 plus 2 V1 is equal to 0. So this is the relation between the velocities of the block 1, 2 and 3. I hope everyone is clear regarding this. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
भाई हाथ खड़े करो, आवाज नहीं निकल रही तो जस्ट रेज योर हैंड्स whether you understood this or not quickly. Still Ashutosh, Devam, Nimanshi and Akhilesh are not responding.
Sir, Ashutosh, I understand, but sir,
Okay,
I'm
got
unable to
it.
raise the hand.
Nimanshi, चलिए ठीक है, ये लोग रिस्पॉन्ड ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. Okay, now would you like to learn the second method which is much more easier than this?
Yes, sir.
चलिए आते हैं, देखिए
Yes, sir.
सेकेंड मेथड पे आते हैं. उसके लिए मुझे फिर से डायग्राम बनाना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज इन द सेम डायग्राम it will be very tough for you to understand. This was the situation. Okay. Now I'm not making the blocks here. Blocks नहीं बना रहा हूं मैं, आपको इसी तरह से इजी वे में समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. Now for a moment I consider this is reference line and this was the first one. Let the velocity is v1 up. Okay. A velocity v1 ऊपर की तरफ है, या we can consider it just like x only क्योंकि हमने पहले x से किया है. x1 I will say. Okay. x1. Now can I say this side the displacement? This is the first case of pulley, if you remember. First case of pulley. So here
Yes.
displacement will be same x1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. If it is moving with x1 up, at the same part it will move come here down with the same displacement x1. Now this pulley, which case it is second or third? For the pulley 2, which case it is second or third? हमने 3 केस किए थे सबसे पहले. When 3 ends are free, 3 ends like this.
Third case.
Which case it was? First, second or third?
Third.
Third.
Third case. Okay. So this is third case of pulley. Now in third case of pulley, let's say the left side displacement is x2 and right side displacement is x3. Okay. So here what we have written, यहाँ z है, ये x है और ये y है. So what we have written, 2z equals to, sorry, 2z plus x plus y is equal to 0 if we don't know the direction of motion. Okay, so here x1 है तो क्या लिखेंगे आप, 2x1 plus this one x2 plus this one x3. Okay, here we don't know what is the direction of motion, but if we know the direction of motion, okay, in that situation what we are going to do, तब relation क्या आएगा हमारे पास, what will be the relation in that case? So I will take this as a reference line. ये हमारी reference line हो गई. x1 is moving towards this. So what shall I write? Negative minus 2x1 or plus 2x1? Tell me. With respect to this reference line, the value of x1 will decrease or increase? Bolo. Minus. Now if x2, suppose if I consider x2 is moving down, so x2 will increase or decrease with respect to reference line? Tell me.
Increase.
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 Now same way I am considering x3 is moving down. So plus x3.
X3 will increase.
Yeah, so plus x3 and 0. So x2 plus x3 in that situation will be 2x1. If we consider the direction, remember that, if we consider direction, then we will write this expression. And if we are not considering any direction, then the result will be 2x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 0. Okay, so your velocity will be v2 plus v3 equals to twice of v1. I hope all the methods are clear to everyone. Tell me, raise your hands if you don't want to speak. Raise your hands quickly. I want to see how many you understood. Okay, so Akhilesh and Nimanshi are not responding. Right. So students, I want you, all of you, just note down this.
Sir, I'm not able to raise my hand. I don't know what's happening.
Okay, doesn't matter, Akhilesh. Okay. Now everyone note down this question and its solution also. Okay, I have not. Okay, this is the previous one. Okay. And if you want the material for this also, I will share with you. Okay. Actually, in none of the book it is given separately. Okay. Now this is the situation. There are so many pulleys. 4 pulleys are there, and the left end of all the pulleys that is connected with a block of mass capital M, and right hand is connected with a block of mass 2m. So we have to find the velocity, relation of velocity of these two blocks. Okay, again we will do it with two methods, right? First I will take the reference line. This is the reference line. Okay, now first of all, this one is suppose x1. Okay, this is x1, right? Now for the second one, this part, okay, I am considering this is xp1. For the third one, I am considering this length as xp3, and for this one, I am considering xp4. And for the block, okay, for the block, I am considering this as x2. Okay, I hope everyone is clear regarding this. Tell me whatever is written
Yes,
till
sir.
now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am putting the one number for one pulley. Okay, for the first pulley. So here I am not writing the constant part pi r because always it is cancelled. So I am not considering that one. So I am writing x1 plus xp1 is equal to L1. Correct? Tell me for the first pulley.
Yes.
Now for second pulley. Okay, for the second pulley. For the second pulley, see this length here to here. Okay, can anyone tell me what it will be? X1 minus xp1.
xp1. Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me this much length, what it will be?
x1.
No. Okay, x1 minus what you are saying?
XP3 minus XP1.
X1 minus xp3.
Yes, sir.
XP3 minus XP1.
Xp3 minus xp1. Okay, so xp3 minus xp1, correct, is equal to L2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब यहाँ पे मुझे क्या करना है, अगर कुछ सेम है तो उनको हम ऐड कर देते हैं, x1 माइनस 2xp1 प्लस xp3 is equal to L2. Okay, so I am putting this as equation number 2. ये हमारा 2 इक्वेशन हो गया. Now I am talking about the third pulley. मान लेते हैं third pulley है, तो third pulley के लिए this length first of all, what it will be? x1 minus
xp3
x1 minus xp3
okay plus right side की बात करें इतना सा पोर्शन what it will be
xp4 minus xp3
very good is equal to I am putting it L3 so again here x1 minus 2 xp3 plus xp4 is equal to L3 ये हो गया हमारा third equation now this is let's say fourth के लिए अगर मुझे लिखना है what I will say this length this much will be x1 minus
xp4
xp4 or this much part x2 minus xp4
yes sir
so x1 plus x2 minus 2 xp4 is equal to L4 ये इक्वेशन नंबर 4 हो गया ठीक है ओके
yes
अब हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे बिकॉज वी नीड द रिलेशन बिटवीन वेलोसिटीज ओके सो आई एम कमिंग अप विद दिस फर्स्ट वन कैन आई से v1 plus vp1 is equal to 0 or vp1 is equal to minus v1 yes or
Yes.
no
Yeah.
now again here I am differentiating equation number 2 so v1 minus 2vp1 plus vp3 is equal to 0 yes or no
yes sir
now vp1 का वैल्यू मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूँ okay here I am substituting the value of vp1 so what it will give us v1 minus 2 vp1 means minus v1
yes
plus v3 is equal to 0 it means 2 नहीं 3 हो जाएगा v1 plus 2v1 plus v3 is equal to 0 v3 means vp3 okay so v3 equals to minus 3v1 yes or no
yes
अब हम थर्ड इक्वेशन पे आते हैं सो इन थर्ड इक्वेशन व्हाट आई विल से v1 minus 2v3 plus v4 is equal to 0 अब हम v3 का वैल्यू यहाँ रख देंगे okay this value I will put here so v1 minus twice of minus 3v1 plus v4 is equal to 0 so v1 plus 6v1 plus v4 is equal to 0 so v4 equals to minus 7v1 correct
yes sir
अब हम लास्ट इक्वेशन नंबर 4 पे आते हैं सो v1 प्लस v2 माइनस 2v4 इज इक्वल टू 0 अब आप v4 का वैल्यू भी रख देंगे इसमें ओके तो v1 प्लस v2 minus 2 it is minus 7v1 is equal to 0 it means 7 to the 14 14 plus 1 15 15v1 plus v2 is equal to 0 so finally what we are getting v2 is minus
15v1
15v1 पता चला सबको कि नहीं बताओ
yes sir
ओके अब देखिए सेकंड मेथड इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल एज कंपेयर टू दिस फर्स्ट वन ओके सेकंड मेथड फर्स्ट के कंपैरिजन में बहुत सिंपल है ओके देखिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अब इसको समझने के लिए मुझे फिर से डायग्राम बनाना पड़ेगा ठीक है तो बना लेते हैं फिर आप लोग एक साथ ही कॉपी कर लेंगे 1 2 3 4 पुलीज आर देयर let me make that one first one second one third one fourth one this was capital M and this was 2M okay this was the situation am I right
yes sir
अब इसको समझना can I say this is the second case of the pulley sorry, not second, first case.
First case.
First case. Our first case hai, let's say it is moving up with x. So this will also come down with the x, right?
Yes.
This is second case of pulley. ध्यान दें, second case of pulley, और ये आपके पास ऊपर की तरफ कितना आ रहा है x. For a moment I can consider it is fixed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. This is x and this is second case of the pulley. This part will be down by double displacement to x. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने लिखा था, देखिए ये फिक्स किया था हमने, इफ दिस पार्ट इज कमिंग विद x, दिस पार्ट विल कम डाउन विद 2x. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो ये 2x है और ये फिक्स नहीं है, इट इज आल्सो कमिंग अप विद द डिस्प्लेसमेंट x, तो ये x भी इधर चला जाएगा, टोटल विल बी 3x. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
Now if I talk about this case, ऊपर से 3x आ रहा है, ध्यान दें, ओके, और यहाँ से x आ रहा है, तो पहले 3x का डबल कर देंगे यहाँ पे, here it will become 6x, और x ये इधर से आ रहा है, ध्यान दें, so total will be 7x, right? फिर हम इसकी बात करते हैं, पुली नंबर 4, अगेन सेकेंड सिचुएशन ही है, ऊपर से 7x आ रहा है, here it will go 14x, और यहां से ये ऊपर जा रहा है किससे? x से, so x and 14 will be 15x.
Yes,
right?
sir.
So velocity of the second block is 15 times of the velocity of first block. Direction obviously first का ऊपर है तो second का कहाँ होगा? नीचे, so it will be minus. I hope it is clear to everyone. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
एक बच्चे की आवाज आई मेरे को.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलिए तो इसको नोट कर लीजिए आप दोनों केसेस. यस बेटा.
Second pulley.
Shall I repeat it?
Yes, sir. Second.
Okay. See the first here, it is coming with displacement x upside. This is the first case of pulley. इधर से अगर displacement x ऊपर है, so from the right side the displacement will come down x only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this is the second case of pulley. Second case of pulley में left side fix है. Upper portion is coming down with x, so right side will come down with 2x. तो यहाँ देखिए ये x है, so this side will be coming here down by 2x. अब 2x तो ये है, but at the same time this part is also coming up with the same displacement x. So x and 2x. So x plus 2x, we will say it is 3x. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now again
Yes,
third
sir.
pulley is the second case. So 3x ऊपर से आ रहा है, इधर डबल हो जाएगा नीचे, it will be 6x, और x फिर से ये इधर से आ रहा है नीचे से, so that will be 6x plus x, that is 7x. Again pulley number 4, that is second case, right? तो ऊपर से 4x है, तो इधर आपके पास sorry 7x है, so it will be what? Double of that, 14, और x ये इधर से आ रहा है आपके पास, तो 14 plus 1 15x. So I hope now it is clear to you. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now clear.
Okay, so note down everyone.